What's going on, guys? MikeyDC here with Mikey Daily Carry, and I'm doing something a little different. This is EDC POV, Everyday Carry Point of View. Don't really see a lot of YouTubers doing this, so I'm going to give something new a try. Now, right over here in this belt loop, I got my keys. Nothing fancy there. Got a Honda Pilot that I drive. This right here is an Exceed Designs carabiner along with some Mech Army titanium rings. I have a DailyCarryCo toothpick along with a whistle. Nothing too crazy there. Usually have it laced up on that belt loop. Over on the left pocket, I have V3 pocket sheath by Oak City Leather Supply. Bordeaux, natural, brass screws, DCC. Hosting my Griffin Co. Scout 2.5 fixed blade. Absolutely love it. It is Magna cut with titanium scales. That lives in my front left pocket right there. And in this mag pocket, because I'm rocking the 511 Defender Slim Jeans, absolutely love these bad boys, I got the Big Eye Design Baseline Bolt Action Pen Stonewash Titanium. Love this thing. I just got this. I already have some wear on it, as you can see, and it's oriented to the left side, which is really cool because Big Idea Designs pens are ambidextrous. They love us left-handers. That lives in this back mag pocket. Along with that pocket, I have the new Civivi Elementum slip joint. Check that bad boy out right there, 14C28N. Absolutely love the smooth walk and talk of this bad boy. Another thing I really like about this is, notice, left clip on the left side oriented. Really like that. So slip joint Elementum. Use Mikey15 to get yourself 15% off this or anything on Civivi's website. Now, on the back left pocket, I have my Cruiser 6.0 laced with Eagle epoxy patches from Ken Walker Design. Obviously, I'm still on a high. We are still the champions. And this right here is a Big Idea Design mini click pen. This is a raw titanium that actually just lives in this wallet here in case I need to go sign some stuff. But definitely check out Ken Walker's new epoxy style patches. Never seen anything like it before. He does a fine job. Over on the right side, starting with this belt loop right here, I have suspended my AirPods Pro 2, and it is in an Andar moss case that matches my watch band, as you can see right there. And in my fifth pocket, I got a bottle opener by Swamp EDC, and this right here is a magnet that is interchangeable with a lot of inserts that they have. As you can see, I got some patina on there. Been using this for quite a bit. Also works as a really good ring. Huh? And in that same pocket, I got some chapstick. So I'm rocking the Vaseline in that fifth pocket. And then clipped onto this right hip here, I have the Olight Artfeld Ultra. And this is the OAL version. Olight's aluminum. Got 3 modes: your light, laser, UV. That lives right in here. And in this mag pocket on the right side, I have my Leatherman Arc. This is a user. I've been beating this thing up. As you can see, this was a black pocket clip from Lynch Northwest, all beat up now. And then as you can see here, I laced this up with my MCB skins from Rip's Garage Tech. That lives in this back mag pocket. And lastly, in the back right pocket, your boy got a Hank. And this one is from Big Idea Design, a brand new Hank here that says Right Slice Fix, collaboration with Renegade Provisions Co. What did you carry today?